In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unsupported language Google Ads. If your ads are being limited or disapproved because of an unsupported language setting, this quick walkthrough will help you correct it so your campaigns can serve properly to the right audience. Start by opening your Google Ads account and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Campaigns. When the expanded left pane appears, select Campaigns again. This takes you to a clean list of all your active and paused campaigns so you can quickly see what you're working with. Hover your mouse over the campaign you want to fix. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to that campaign. Click the gear to open the settings for that specific campaign. This is where Google Ads keeps all the options that control who can see your ads and how they're delivered. Once you're in the campaign settings, scroll down until you see the section labeled Other Settings. In this section, look for Languages. This is the control that tells Google Ads which language speakers your campaign is intended to reach. If you've selected languages that Google Ads doesn't support or that don't match your audience, you can run into delivery or policy issues. Click on Languages to edit. Here, remove any languages that are unsupported or irrelevant to your target users. A good rule of thumb is to select the languages your customers actually use in the regions you're targeting. Keeping this list accurate helps Google match your ads with the right searches and placements and prevents errors. If you serve multiple regions, make sure the languages align with the actual language of your ad copy and landing pages for a consistent experience. After you've made your changes, click Save. This confirms the update and applies it to the campaign. You should see a success indicator at the top of the page. From here, it's a good idea to briefly review your other campaigns in the same way, especially if you duplicated settings across them in the past. Consistent language settings across your campaigns reduce confusion and help maintain performance. That's all you need to do. By navigating to campaigns, opening the gear for the campaign, scrolling to other settings, editing languages to remove unsupported options, and saving, you'll resolve the unsupported language issue and keep your ads eligible to serve. If you don't see immediate changes in delivery, give the system a short time to process the update. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your campaigns back on track.